Alright, here's my little 190D diesel car that I picked up for 250 bucks with a bad transmission. It was an automatic. We pulled the automatic out and we put a stick shift 5-speed manual in here. At first we couldn't get it to start, but we realized there's some neutral safety switch wires that go down by the gas pedal here. If you'll excuse the mess, I've kind of been washing it out. Take the two fat purple wires and wrap them together, and then you can just get the rest and put them away. And I haven't started this thing in a couple of days, but it should work. Go ahead and put the key in, turn it to on, to where your glow plug comes on. Once the glow plug shuts off, turn the key the rest of the way. There you go. The thing starts up like a champ. That's a cold start diesel. Exhaust is hanging down. It runs great. It's only got 250,000 miles on it. Pretty nice though. It's got AC and power steering. Got the 1984 headlights and marker lamps. This is the parts car that is an 85, and it doesn't have power steering or anything. It just got crank windows. It's got a wrecked title. The title shows that it's been wrecked. The doors smashed a little bit and the fender was replaced, but I'm just going to part this car out and just keep it for parts, I guess. And this car I'm going to continue to fix up and make it nice. So far I really like it. Other than the carpets. But I'm working on that.